This is the Fabulous Resin Repair. This stuff, resin, is marvellous. One of my favourite products. You can use it for so many repairs. It is actually designed for wood, but as I've shown you on previous videos, I use it on plaster as well, on the walls. And it's brilliant for solving those cracks. But on here, these repairs will last longer than the wood itself. So there's no need to rip out these windows and replace them. Even though on first inspection you might think, boy, these are tatty, these are rubbish, these are ready for the bin. Rip them out, spend thousands of pounds, put in some new ugly UPVC windows, that's the way, just to make them look good. When you can just do this. Resin, epoxy resin repair. That coffee's looking a bit cold. There. Super duper repair work. Quick, effective and fairly cheap. And the other reason I've used it here, this actually is a conservation area, so you can't even put in those UPVC windows unless they look absolutely identical. And then they have to be custom made. More expense. Use resin.